Good morning. I'm at the car wash today to wash my car, and I want to tell you a particular incident that happened. And my wife was even asking me that why did I tell the person what I told him. This individual is a radio nick, he repairs radio and television, and you know in Nigeria, so today or most part of the world, radio and television is no longer in vogue. People don't repair those things again because the laptop, the computer, the phone, you can go on YouTube, you can download movies. So even many radio stations and TV stations, they're on YouTube, they're online. So from your phone, you can see what they're doing. So this is the car wash where they are washing my car. You can see everything. So as I was saying, so I told this individual he should change his trade if he really wants to make headway. If you are repairing radio before or TV television, convert and start repairing. Go and learn how to repair laptop, computer, and phones, mobile phones. And I told him where to learn it right here in Ilorin at Challenge bus stop. And I've told him this going to 3 weeks now. I met this individual yesterday, and I went to do something in that area where his shop was. And then what he was doing there was surprising. This soldering iron that normally is supposed to use light to power, he made charcoal fire, and he was putting the soldering iron inside the charcoal fire to heat it up to do his work. I felt bad. I felt sad. I felt somewhat inside of me. I have a book which I bought many years ago from a bookshop at Challenge bus stop in Ilorin, at a popular bookshop there. That book, the title of the book is that you cannot make successful people. The title of the book is What the Rich Know and Desperately Want to Keep Secret. The rich spend money on self-development, I'm telling you. They spend money on things that are going to increase their value. But the poor spend money on things that will not increase their value. Imagine now, I told him he should go and find out. I'm willing to pay for it. I'm willing to sponsor him. If he finds out, I will sponsor him. I will talk to the person he wants to learn from, and then I will sponsor him to learn. He can go there 3 hours daily and come back, open a shop, and after some time, he will convert to become a repairer of mobile phones and laptop, and then he can upgrade his business from the television repair and radio repair to repair laptop and phones. Laptop and phones are in vogue today. I was surprised. He did not do anything, didn't give me any feedback, and then he was going deep down. Front of his shop is these guys in the car wash are making a noise. Brother, I just want to video con. So I apologize. This is a video I'm doing impromptu. I just need to do this video because there's no time to waste. You also, my viewer, don't waste your time. Don't waste your life. Every opportunity you have, utilize it. Every chance you have, utilize it to improve yourself, to improve what you are doing, to improve your business. My wife initially said, why did I poke nose into his business? But when I explained everything to her, she cooled down and she understood with me. I'm passionate about development of people. I'm passionate about how people can move from where they are to where they ought to be. I'm passionate to see. I'm passionate to see. If you see more than I see, and you see how I can improve my own life, please tell me. I'm open for assistance. I'm open for help. And if you tell me, I'm telling you, I'm going to make good use of everything you tell me. Many of the improvements I've made on this YouTube channel is based on what I've learned from people. I've learned a lot of things from people who have told me, why can't you do it this way, why can't you do it that way? And I've been taking steps in fixing those things according to those people that asked me to fix things the way I should fix it. And I have seen improvement in different areas of my life. I read books to improve myself. I read motivational books. I read self-help books. Long time ago, even when I was a student, every Sunday, I read motivational books. Robert Schooler, Tough Time Never Lasts, What People Do, and many other books like that. I read them because I know these are the things that are going to help me. You see, the environment that we live in is a kind of limiting, and it takes deliberate action to be able to liberate yourself. What we hear in our ears are curses. It takes deliberate action to now see the seeing blessing. So it takes deliberate action. Many people, they wake up in the morning, what their parents greet them with is curses. So it will take deliberate action everywhere in your house. Begin to write, God bless you, I am blessed, I am this, I am that. Begin to elevate yourself so that anywhere you turn to in your home, in your office, anywhere you are going to be seeing things that are going to move you in the right direction. That was what motivational books did to me. Now, back to the story I'm telling you about. This individual, up to now, he has not come back to me to say this is the amount. I'm going to go there from such time to such time. This is what I'm going to do. And after a while, he's going to say help did not come. Help came. Now, let me tell you, he was telling me that what he wants to do is to be selling laptops and mobile phones. People used to come and beg him to buy. But what he needs is capital. Can you see the dimension again? Now, I'm looking that if anybody, I don't know, I don't know who is just going to wake up from his slumber and come and give you capital. This is what you should be thinking about. Don't just come and give you capital. What is difficult to do, that is what you want to do. The one that you can do, go and learn more so that people can be bringing to you to repair. From there, you can link up with where you can be buying wholesale and be bringing in. He said no, it's capital he needs. Capital for buying and selling what you don't know how to repair. Capital for buying and selling what you don't know much about, so that you now still be dependent on other people. Okay, who is going to be giving you capital to be buying and selling what you don't know about? I have somebody who stayed with me. Precisely, is my wife's younger brother. He's into this business I'm talking about today, repairing of laptops and repairing of mobile phones, selling of laptop and mobile phone. He also charge mobile phones and laptops and power bank for people, and they pay him in his shop, and he's doing fine today. He helps people to buy laptops and other things, and he's online showing what he's doing. In fact, my wife was telling me that now he has a machine that he does not need. That machine is a diagnoser. It helps to diagnose the problem of the laptop or the mobile phone. The moment he connects it, the machine is going to diagnose. And he spent money to buy that machine. He heard about it and he went after it and he bought it from the internet or online. Now, there are many people here, they will not do all this. All they will be doing is that God is going to do this. They are only capital. Who is going to give you capital? Who is going to give you capital? You have to learn as you are working. You'll be increasing your capacity, be increasing your ability to earn, and then be getting more capital. That is how it is done. That is how it is done. This place I'm washing my car now, you can see about 4 people, all this area at, they call this place General in Ilorin, just beside General Hospital. They wash cars here. That's what they do. All the arrangement here, down from here to the other side, they wash cars here because they also sell Tokubo cars and used cars at the junction on the main road up to Gerali in this area. So definitely there's a market for people washing cars. So you can see the link. So any business you are doing, try to improve. And there are some business that are outdated. Take for instance, selling of video cassettes, selling of cassettes is outdated. If you're in that category, move to another business on time. Selling of CDs is outdated. Nobody is selling CDs again. All my CDs, I told my children, pack them, throw them away, because all those CD songs in the CD, whatever is in the CD, I can get it on YouTube. I can go on TikTok and get it. I am a YouTube person. I can get it on YouTube. Everything. I spend a lot of money on data every month. If you finish before the end of the month, I buy again. Even with the increase, MTN increase the amount they sell data, I went ahead. I also kept on buying. It didn't stop me. But what I'm learning in the process is much more than the amount I'm buying. Just now, I listened to a man talking about some things. His name is Dr. Chasapoki. You can listen to him too. I listen to him and I follow him and I learn from him. He's elderly and he talk about real life issues. Recently, the video I just watched from him, he's talking about people that fasted for 100 days. Some fast for 30 days, some fast for 40 days. After the fasting, you say, what happened? You are fasting, but you are not reading your book. You are fasting, but your work, in your business, you are not strategizing, you are not taking training to improve in your business. And then you are fasting. So that fasting will turn to what? As you are fasting, if you can devote time to 100-day fasting, then you should be able to devote more time to developing your capacity to improve on what you are fasting about. You understand? So that fasting is going to be more and more effective. You're going to go higher, you're going to go faster, you're going to go more and more. On this channel, I've made more than 1,000 videos. And you can imagine, some people say they are having a YouTube channel, and you think they are serious. And I've stayed on this channel for more than 5 years now. Some people stayed for after 1, 2, 3, 4 videos, they go off. Everything, they say it's not working. Now I'm they're working my car in the car wash. And I'm making this video. You can see cars are passing from this is a major road. Cars are passing, and then the cars are parking, they're making a noise and everything, but does that now stop me from recording my videos? No, it doesn't stop me. That is determination. Some people will give you all the excuses in this world why they cannot do what they should do, why they cannot do what they should do. Yes, I know that the sound of the car, the sound of the, even somebody was talking when I was the other time, I have to ask him to keep quiet and move to this place. But that does not stop me from recording my video. If you really want to do what you want to do, nothing and nobody can stop you. So the ball is in your court. Improve, wake up, do something tangible, and you are going to be glad you did. My name is Dr. Olubenga Adetutu, and I'm your host on this YouTube channel called Dr. Olubenga Adetutu YouTube channel. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share the link of this video for family and friends. If you have any questions or comments for me, or you want me to advise you on areas of your life that you can improve, I do that also. If you ask on this channel, I will respond right on this channel, and that will be free. So if you come to my DM to ask me on my DM, I'm going to charge you a particular amount for 1 hour you want to use to talk, or 30 minutes you want to use to talk, because I'm going to advise you. But if you just ask it in the comment section, I will respond to you. And if you have seen my videos and you see that there are areas I need to improve, that I can improve, why not tell me in the comment section and I will work on it. I thank you very much, and I want you to go ahead and watch this video that is popping up right on my YouTube channel right now. I am going to talk to you in the next one. Happy Saturday, happy Easter, and have a good one. Bye bye.